Okay, so very important. First of all, before calibrating the pump, we need to go to a remote mode. Now we already reset all the sensor with the engine off. We can do it again. It's just to stop the engine.
Okay.
We wait some time that engine is off and the pressure is discharged. All the hydraulic pressure is discharged, and then we are gonna reset the pressure sensors. So, for example, now is enough. Once we have like 2-3 minutes, it's gonna be enough. So what we start to do is that we just need to press the equal 0. So then the machine automatically make the reset of the sensor. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Very good. And if you do it 2 times, it's no problem. Good. Here, for example, we seen that one of the sensor is broken. Why? Because the low value doesn't correspond to a standard one. Okay. You can see the pump 2 pressure is the same type of sensor as the percussion. So it's 0 to 350. And if you, for example, when you reset it and you see a low value going very high, like 600, you see that all the 0 to 350 bar, the low value, the L value is around 99, 100, 104. But this one is different. So it means that the sensor is broken. We need to replace that sensor. Okay, now to calibrate the pump, we start the engine. After we start the engine, we need to go and check the standby pressure in remote mode. So always in this mode. We need to actuate always in this mode. Okay. So always in remote mode. Because you can see in the pumps, all the current is 0. So it means that we don't have any current to the solenoid that is on the pressure compensator, the one that we regulate now.
Okay.
And then we check always for the standby pressure. The standby pressure, optimal standby pressure, should be from 20 to 22 bar. No, plus minus 2 is okay. So before we had, for example, 14 bar on the pump 3 that we regulate the standby pressure on the pressure regulator, and we lift it up to 20 bar, so we could calibrate the pumps properly. So once we check, okay, standby pressure 0, 24 is okay, we have 21.8, 20, so the standby pressure is fine. And now we can go into drilling, because it's one of the conditions. The condition to calibrate the pump, first of all, is to have the machine in drilling mode, and then to have the hydraulic oil over 32 Celsius degree. So over 32 Celsius degree, 22 bar standby pressure, and around 32, over 32 32 degree bar, so 32 degree. So then here we did the calibration of the pumps, but we do it again. Drilling mode, you seen the engine RPM are 800, so it's in idle. We just select the pump that we want to calibrate. After we select the pump that we want to calibrate, we press start calibration. And then we start to calibrate the pump. If the calibration is okay, here it will show pressure calibration okay.
This one.
And then here it will show that yeah, all the pumps are calibrated, so that's good.
Yeah, okay.
If we wanna check the maximum pressure of the pump, you know that you can check it. So we go back into settings, we go into the rig menu, we need to actuate 1500 RPM, 1500 RPM, and then we can go into system, pump, and then here step by step. So you can see I need to check always, so if I actuate 100 it should be around 100, then I can check like 200. Perfect. 507, 527, that's okay. And then we check for the maximum pressure. 300. So maximum pressure of pump 1, 280, around 280, no more than 280. Let's say between 260, 280 is okay. Pump 2, 250. Pump 3, 250. Plus minus 10 is better, like if it is 247, that's perfect. Below 250. Okay? Very good. After that we need to always to go to zero. And then we go to zero as well on the RPMs. It's very important to not forget. That's it. So on this machine we know that 100% the pump are in pumps, and the sensor of the pumps are perfect. The things that is broken here that we have to replace is the percussion pressure sensor. Yeah, because the L value unit is too high, is out of the standards.